Guys, I told you. Guys, the Bitcoin price was going to retest this week exactly as I mentioned around this time frame, around this 18th of May 18. And you can see eventually the Bitcoin price retested that level. Filled the wick with the body candle close, uh, filling up this wick and even went lower. And it met the exact target right here, exactly as I mentioned that if this level doesn't hold, expect for the Bitcoin price to head to this support, this white line, held support, but then kept going lower. And I told you guys that if this support doesn't hold around this $26,280, expect for the Bitcoin price to continue going lower to at least this target around this 20. Let's see, it was around $23,000, and it was perfectly met exactly there to the target. And also, guys, I told you that the 200 simple moving average in the weekly time frame was going to get retested, but not only that, I told you guys that it wasn't going to hold because a lot of people are looking at that time frame, so it's not going to hold. So I'm gonna show you guys very quickly. If a body candle close in the weekly time frame doesn't close below this $29,298 level, then this will hold as support and then continue to the upside. But if that closes a weekly body candle close below that $29,298 level, I would expect to the downside. Fill out this wick and maybe even go lower. And using the simple moving averages right here, this pink line, $22,328 level, that will be most likely the bottom. But at the same time, since enough people are looking for this 200 super moving average, so I see the market maker of the Bitcoin price just faking out to the downside and then retesting this, so people get scared because I see enough people saying that, oh, look at this 200 super moving average for the bottom. It has already, it always signals the bottom, but also it has wicked below in the past and then came back eventually. But usually if it goes below, it will not be that much. It will be like this, and then eventually will keep going higher. But since the Shemitah time, that would be a very interesting scenario to see if it's going to get even lower. So personally, I'm anticipating this retest around this $20,000 level, around this $19,800 level at least. Okay, and if it wants to get very, very just drastic, then it will go to this $14,000 level. And you see this confluence, this hasn't been retested, as you can see right there. Usually that almost never happens. Huge resistance, you come up like this, and it breaks out without retesting. It just goes straight out like this, and you go to the previous all-time high. That didn't get retested and also went to the upside. That's very parabolic, and I see at least this $19,700 level being retested eventually, okay? I'm not saying right now. That would be my opinion in that case. But there's a pattern for that. This bear flag and boom, it would be around that $14,000 level, the price target. So that you have already a pattern, a very, very big pattern, and it's playing out very cleanly, literally. So yeah, using this Fibonacci retracement, if the Bitcoin price closes a daily body candle close below this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement around the $28,192 level, then expect for the Bitcoin price to continue going lower like this, at least to retest this week around this $25,400 level, and potentially go even lower if this support, this huge support, this white line doesn't hold, which is also around this $26,400 level. A reason I'm seeing why the Bitcoin price is just heading straight down like this, first because of the geopolitics, because of the S&P 500, but also because you have this huge bear flag, and usually bear flags just turn out like this. It's just straight down, usually like this. This bear flag is still in play. broke out, and then this is maybe forming another bearish flag to then continue going lower. But right now, usually that's how bearish flags work. Usually you will see just straight down like this, and the same can goes as to the other side, which will be to the upside. If it's a bull flag, then you can expect for the movement to be very straight to the upside usually. And right now, since this is a very huge bearish flag in the long term, the weekly, daily, this is a very, very big one and a clear one. So that's a very strong reasoning why also this straight down movement is being performed like it is right now. And right now, if this support line here, this huge funny wedge support will it has to hold, or it will keep going to the downside, then retest that 200 simple moving average in the weekly time frame, and that will be a very, very strong support level. This this support line right here, this white line, this is the very short term. If we extend this like this, it's struggling to hold this as support. Okay, so right now this is just consolidation. As long as the Bitcoin price holds above this yellow line, $28,588 level, and also above this $29,250 level, then it's okay, no worries. I'm not worried. The Bitcoin price can go to $20,000, $18,000, and I would not be worried, really. I would be just happy because I get to buy more. That in summary, that's how it works. You want to buy low and sell high, so you have to enjoy the dips, or you're not going to buy the dips. You're gonna buy the tops. That's how it works. Bitcoin price is staying a lot of time to the downside, and I like that, so I can keep accumulating before it eventually goes up to the upside, like it just does. Since it's the beginning of its creation, it just goes to the upside. You just have to be patient. But here in the short term right now, it's just consolidation until this support lines just get broken, and then you will see huge volatility. These moon phases are no joke, as you can see. Boom, boom. There's your move. Potentially this can keep going lower. This blue line is the estimation where this dark blue will end, which is the bearish energy, and then from there on you can expect a bounce. The bounce can be like this, or sometimes a little bit. Okay guys, so here we can see that the Bitcoin price, this is the weekly time frame, and I told you guys this is the 200 simple moving average, this pink line, and I told you guys, I knew it's just before it happened right here. This is not going to hold because it's just there's enough people that know about this indicator, and the market is not gonna make it that easy to just, okay, we hit this line, so now we go up. No, it's not going to do that. And exactly as I mentioned, I'm gonna put a clip where I was saying this beforehand, so I'm gonna put the clips right now. So yeah guys, looking at those videos before, I told you guys this pink line is not going to hold that, at least in the immediate short term. And you can see right here the Bitcoin price went down around to $20,180 right now. And you can see right now that, and also guys, I also mentioned before, if the Bitcoin price closes a daily body candle close below this yellow line, that was around $28,585. I told you guys that expect for the Bitcoin price to at least retest this wick. And it did even more than that. It's just, it filled the wick and went even lower in that case. So exactly as I mentioned before, it was playing out. So it's great that it's playing out exactly as I was mentioning. So right now we can see that the Bitcoin price is holding support around this level, like I told you guys. Like if the 200 simple moving average will not hold support, expect for this $19,694 level to be as support because of this previous all-time high right here of the Bitcoin price. And right now we're very close to retesting that level again. So just by a little bit, it didn't touch it, but exactly as I was mentioning, guys. And also this bear pennant has been completed exactly as I mentioned, guys. Boom, it met the exact target right here. Okay, the target was around here it was measured like this. I deleted it for just a moment right here. I have it hidden, but I'm gonna put it right here. It was like this. Oh wait, no wait, wait. No wait, the bearish target hasn't been completed just yet. This bear pennant has a price target, like I mentioned before, all the way down around this. Whoa, it's, I said before like $14,100, but right here, seeing it right here, it will be how funny, $12,000. And so yes, this is possible. Right now it's not the most likely scenario. Right here you can see that the Bitcoin price was following this a bullish falling wedge right here, boom, like this, and it broke support exactly to the body candle close. You see that? Immediately as the weekly body candle close below that line, it's just now this is just too much. Oh my gosh, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, look at 3 6 9 bearish weekly body candle closes in a bearish way, a little positive bullish candle here, then another 2 more weekly body candle closes on a bearish. One has been completed, the second one is on pending at the moment. So yeah guys, exactly as I have been mentioning before, the targets have been going exactly as I mentioned before, going to the log frame scale right here. Also we have another big pattern that's playing out right here, which is here, this huge ascending triangle. As I told you before, this boom 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 boom, and then it's the price target is this yellow target, which also has confluence with this bearish flag. That, oh my gosh, the target, oh yes, this is the $14,480 target using the ascending wedge pattern in the weekly time frame, which is a very big time frame, which is not to be ignored if you're looking to trade this or take this seriously. And also we have the bearish flag, bear flag right here. I'm gonna do something very quickly here. Let's see if this bear flag is the same amount of let's see. Oh, it's not the same. That's interesting. So looking at the log scale, when you use this bear flag, the bear flag has been completed exactly to the $23,000 area. But if you go to the linear scale, then the target is much lower, which is all the way down to this $12,000 level. That's very interesting. Wow. So yeah, that would be the lowest if it's going to go there, because it's not a guarantee. But guys, remember, like I said before, Shemitah time is very close. Shemitah is already in play, and right now we're seeing this massive just capitulation to the downside, and September hasn't even come just yet. Oh my gosh, that's just, oh my gosh. So right now the S&P 500 has pulled back around like 25 to 30%. The Nasdaq is down like 33%, something like that. So I'm expecting another 25 to 30%. So this will take the Bitcoin price at least to those price targets if the Bitcoin price just keeps going down like this. So right now guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the weekly time frame. And yeah, immediate support will be around this $19,608 level. This has to have a break, guys. This is too dramatic. This has never happened before. 9 weekly bearish consecutive candle closes and no bounce. That's very rare. So expect at least in the immediate short term a very strong support on the $19,708 level, previous all-time high here. And let's see here. And guys, I'm gonna show you just a second. And also guys, looking at the moon phases, this is very interesting. Like I show you guys, these moon phases are no joke. Look at this. When we are in the bearish momentum in the moon phases, when we're on a bearish trend, this dark blue is more harsh, and the yellow zone doesn't pump up that much most of the times when we're in a bear market. And you can see down, hold down. It doesn't fail, guys. I told you guys, So looking at the simple moving averages here, bearish, it's just bearish. So yeah, guys, right now this is what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price. So this will be a move of around, I'm gonna show you guys from here to here. If you trade it from this, it will be a percentage gain of around 28%. Congratulations, guys. If you follow my trading opportunities, you see my Bitcoin opportunities right there. And if you follow my remember that this is not financial advice, but at the same time, I'm just stating my opinion, and I'm stating research and my opinion. So not financial advice. And if you traded this, then I already told you guys this was going to retest the 200 simple moving average. Also, guys, so I'm gonna delete these lines over here. Just a second. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna delete those later on because I want to take some screenshots over here. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.